Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we have a special video. We'll be doing an engineering drawing. So we'll be doing the spanner. A spanner is a tool that a mechanic or a householder would use to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts. So we'll be drawing the geometrical construction in the first part of the two videos covering the topic. In the second part of the two videos, we'll be finishing the spanner. We will be adding the dimensions. We'll be showing you the different techniques how to add the dimensions to it. We'll be showing you how to plot the drawing. And in part two, we actually present the question information that is required. So it's a question paper. It will be shown in part two. But I want to get the drawing going in part one. So in part two, I'll show you the question paper. So we're looking forward to seeing you in part two. So we'll be starting the video now. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be drawing a spanner. So the first thing we're going to draw is the hexagon for the nut. So we're going to draw a line. We're going to turn on snap. I'm going to start right here. The length of the line will be 25.98 millimeters. Enter. So all sides would be, I'm going to center the drawing for you. All sides would be 25.98 millimeters. All right. So I'm going to turn off ortho so you can see the line at an angle, right? So the line length of the line is 25.98 and this angle would be 60 degrees. Enter. All right. So we're going to complete the hexagon. So the length of the saddles is an equal hexagon, so that all sides will be equal. This angle would be 120. Enter. Then coming across, you can just turn on ortho. And this line will be the length of the side, 25.98 millimeters. And the angle will be 180 degrees. Enter. So we're going to draw this side now. So we're going to go line. The length of the line will be 25 millimeters, 25.98 millimeters. And the angle will be 240. Enter. Then coming down now, the length of the side will be 25.98 millimeters and the angle would be 300. Enter. Enter to close the command. Right. So this is the open end for the nut. All right. What we're going to do now is draw the thickness for the spanner right here. All right. What we need to do with we need to find the center for the circle. All right, so what we can do, we can draw a line from here to there. Enter. We're going to make it smaller. We're going to center the drawing, all right? All right, what we're going to do, we're going to break this line, all right? So we're going to go break. Going to select the line, and then we're going to break it right here. Enter. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a circle to get the thickness of the spanner. So we're going to go center, and this radius would be 30. Enter. All right. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the sides for the spanner now. Okay. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a line from here, which is 130 millimeters. So we're going to turn on ortho. We're going to come 130 millimeters. Enter. Enter. All right. So at this point now, we're going to draw a circle. So from here, we're going to draw a circle, and the radius of the circle would be 12 millimeter. Enter. Good. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line tangential from here going there. All right, so we're going to go line from here, right? I'm going to come across, and the length of this line would be 133 millimeters. Enter. Enter. All right, we're going to do the same thing up the top here. So come here, tangential here, 133 millimeters. Enter. Enter. All right. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the hole in the end of the spanner right there. All right. So we're going to go circle here, and this radius would be 6 millimeters. Enter. All right, good. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the tangential arc right here. So we're going to go fillet. We're going to enter the radius, and the radius would be 15 millimeters. Enter. So we're going to select M for multiple, and then we're going to click here, click there, click there, click there. All right, enter to close the command. So good job. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to join this line to this line. So we're going to go to the modify, going to press join, going to click this line, enter, and when you click and select it, now it's now one line, right? What we're going to do, we're going to go to our layer properties manager. I'm going to make a new layer. This layer, we're going to call it center line, and the line type, we're going to load a center line. So we're going to come and select center here, press OK. Then we're going to select the center line, OK. We're going to close the layer properties manager, and then we're going to select this line. We're going to put it on the center line, and there's the center line. Now what we do in technical drawing, we normally extend the center line little bit beyond a little beyond the circle. So this is what I'm doing now. All right, so we need another center line coming vertically there. So we're going to go change this to the center line. Then we're going to go line from here to there. Enter. Enter. From there to there. Enter. And what we're going to do, we're going to extend it beyond the circle. All right, just like this. All right, so we click on the line and we're extending it beyond the circle. All right. Now there's a line below the center line. So I'm going to turn off the center line and then delete this construction line. All right, so we can see the center line clearly. So we can turn on the center line now. Right, and there it is. We can see the center line clearly. All right, we need to trim this arc. All right, so we're going to go trim, click here, click there, enter. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a outline layer, and we're going to put the spanner on the outline layer. We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic engineering drawing. We use the tangential arcs to draw the drawings. In the next video, which is part 2 of the 2 videos, we'll be completing the spanner. We'll be inserting the dimensions and the labels for the drawing, and also the title block, which we saved as a block in a previous video. So we have an exciting video in part 2. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we are your CAD resource, and we're looking forward to seeing you. Take care. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.